Okay, so today we're going to talk about putting air in your tyres basically. We're not going to go into pressures or anything like that. It's just if you're like me, on some of the vehicles that you may own, some of the bikes you may own, it's tricky. If you go to like a fuel filling station, they have the air fillers, and it's a solid metal bar, and you struggle to get it onto your valve, your tyre valve, at the best of times. Oxford have come up with a little 90-degree valve extension tool, and this actually just cures the problems. We're going to take this out of the packet. I'm going to show you how to fit it on the bike. One thing you must remember is once you've filled your correct pressure in your tyre, you've got to take this off. You can't leave this on. There's a bit of weight to it and it will upset the balance. So after you've finished filling your tyre with air to the correct PSI, remove this, put it back into your pocket or under your seat or wherever you're going to store it. But it is a really good tool to have to be able to get to your tyre valve without any hassle. So next part of the video, we're going to be showing you how to fit it on. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is remove the original valve cap. Okay, if you spin that anti-clockwise, it will come off. Then we're going to get the valve tool and we're going to pop that on. So clockwise, spin it on. You'll hear a little bit of air come out initially, and then that'll stop as it tightens up. Okay, so tighten it up. Put this in whatever direction suits you. Every bike's going to be slightly different, okay? Some of you will have it on a 90-degree angle like that. Some of you will have to tilt it up a little bit more like that. That doesn't matter what angle you have it on, as long as it's screwed on securely and the air is no longer leaking out. Then what you do is you remove the dust cap that's on the tool itself. Okay, put that safely to one side. And now you can access this with your air filler. As I say, normally at the garages and stuff like that, it's a solid metal bar hose, and it's really tricky to get on. But with this 90-degree angle, it makes it a lot easier. It will just slot straight onto that. You can put the correct pressure into it. Once you've done that, put the silver cap back on so we don't lose it. We know where that is. Okay, so wind that back on. Once you've wound that on, you can then remove the tool. You will lose a fraction of air, but it is only a fraction. It's not going to make any difference. Just as you take that off, and then all you do then is put your original cap back on, screw that on with a little bit of finger pressure there, and that's it. That's how you use this 90-degree Oxford tyre valve adapter. Really useful tool to have. Makes filling the tyre with air pressure a lot easier. Okay, so that is how you use the Oxford 90-degree tyre valve adapter. As I said before, please remember to remove it after you've put the correct PSI in and put it in a safe place, pocket under the bike, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and we'll try and answer them as quickly as we can. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos.